Say it, in English.
Do you enjoy eating out? Today you'll learn some common vocabulary that you can use the next time you go to a restaurant. Before you go to the restaurant, you need to make a call or use the restaurant's website in order to guarantee a table at the restaurant. This is called reservation or book. When you get to the restaurant, someone will usually greet you when you walk in. That person is called host or hostess. The host will take you to your table. Inside the restaurant, there is an outdoor sitting area that is called patio. The host will usually ask if you would like to sit inside or out on the patio. There is another sitting area that is called booth. If you choose to sit inside the restaurant, the host will usually ask if you'd prefer a table or a booth. After you've chosen an area to sit, a waiter or a waitress will come by to get your drink and food order. Another name for a waiter or a waitress is a server. What do you look at to decide what you'd like to eat and drink? Menu. The host or the server will bring you a menu or tell you how to find it online. Normally you will see the drink section first. The server will ask you what you'd like to drink. This section is called beverage. Beverages can include water, coffee, tea, alcohol, or soft drinks. Then the server will ask you if you want to start with a small course. The course is called appetizer. People often share appetizer. The server will ask you what you'd like to have for your meal next. This course is called main dish. Finally, the server will ask you if you'd like something sweet to end the meal with. That is called dessert. Dessert include cake, pie, and ice cream. After your meal, the server will bring a paper that is called a bill. This is the itemized list of what you ordered and how much money you owe the restaurant. The bill can also be called a check. It's customary to leave extra money for good service at a restaurant. The extra money is called tip. The tip amount is usually a small percentage off your bill's total. Let's listen to the words one more time. Reservation, host, patio, booth, waiter or waitress, menu, beverage, appetizer, main dish, dessert, bill, tip. Now you know all these new words. Use them the next time you go to a restaurant. Let's play a game. Can you remember the word? Match the correct word with the picture. Booth. Main dish. Beverage. Reservation. Tip. Well done. Let's play another game. Look at the picture, unscramble, and say the word. Patio. Host. Dessert. Server. Appetizer. Well done! Now try to match the pictures with the correct word. Say it out loud. That's it. Bill. Main dish and menu. Nice job. Now you know some practical restaurant vocabulary. Hope you liked it. Have fun.